everybody, Sharon here. Yay! Another album I have here, interactive photo album. Love it. It was the paper collection was Carta Bella. I used a 12 by 12, and yeah, a 12 by 12 collection kit, and it was called The Great Outdoors. Lots of fun. This is extremely interactive. So, things I used: my double-sided adhesive, and of course I used the 2-inch. I used scored tape, art glitter glue, and for the spine and everything, to make it really sturdy, Tyvek. I always use Tyvek on my photo albums. So, alright. I didn't do anything too frilly or, because this is a outdoor adventure. But I thought this was pretty cool. And this is the spine and the back. It's a tie closure with some brown ribbon. Let's see, where did I get that? I don't know. I can't remember. Okay, so here we have this. It's such pretty paper. Love those rocks. Open it up. Lots of room for photos. I have a couple of tags here. And a burlap pocket. So in case you need to stick a picture in there, you can. And if I can put it back right. And then right here, this opens up. And then this opens up. Opens up. A little tag. And you can put a picture right here. And then pull out there. Okay. This one. That's also. And this is a photo mat. Areas for photo. More photos. And here we have this side. You can put a photo if you want here. I tried to make pages so the pictures would go behind them. There's that. It opens up. And the stickers were just adorable. I just loved them. This one opens up like that. And goes up. So you can put a photo here. That's a pocket. Okay, another pull out. You can see how interactive this photo album is. So lots of room for pictures. And this right here is another booklet. And here we have this one. It just opens up like that. And pull out. This one opens up like this. Opens up like that. And here we have an interactive thing, so lots of little photos there. Okay. And then this one goes up. And another burlap pocket. And pull out. Oh, opens out. Fish frying. We're trying to find our dog Mango. Okay. How did I have it? There we go. And then, so you could put a photo here if you want. And another waterfall. So this is extremely interactive, and you can see how thick it is. And that's why I did the tie closures, so that as it expands with photos, it will expand and still tie. So thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions about what I've done, or if you want to see something, let me know. And as always, happy crafting. Later.